Abandoned cart recovery, strategies to recover lost sales from abandoned carts. Bringing back the lost sheep, abandoned cart recovery strategies with ThriveCart. Abandoned carts haunt every online business owner. But with ThriveCart's powerful automation and targeted strategies, you can turn those almost deals into real sales. Here's how. 1. Act fast, strike hard. Send the first recovery email within 1 to 3 hours of cart abandonment. The closer you follow up, the higher the chance of recapturing their attention. Personalize your message, address the customer by name, remind them of what they left behind, and highlight the benefits of completing their purchase. 2. Offer an incentive. Sweeten the deal with a discount or coupon code specific to abandoned carts. Provide free shipping or bonus content to add extra value and nudge them towards checkout. 3. Highlight urgency and scarcity. Create a sense of urgency by mentioning limited time offers or expiring discounts. Show low stock availability for pressure-sensitive customers. 4. Understand the why. Integrate exit intent pop-ups to capture information about abandonment reasons. These insights can inform future cart optimization strategies. Segment your abandoned carts based on reasons and tailor your recovery communication accordingly. 5. Leverage automation. ThriveCart's built-in automation sequences take the manual work out of cart recovery. Set up triggers to send personalized emails at optimal intervals, reducing your workload and maximizing recovery potential. 6. A/B test and refine. Don't settle for what works okay. Experiment with different subject lines, email content, and offer types to identify the most effective approach for your audience. Bonus tip, consider offering different recovery paths in your emails. If a discount doesn't work, try offering customer support or addressing specific concerns they might have about the product. Remember, abandoned cart recovery is not just about one email. It's a multi-touchpoint strategy that requires understanding your customer's psychology and offering persuasive incentives at the right moments. With ThriveCart's tools and your strategic approach, you can turn those abandoned carts from lost revenue into loyal customers. Don't let any potential sales slip through the cracks. Here are some additional benefits of using ThriveCart for abandoned cart recovery. Easy setup and automation. Create powerful recovery sequences in minutes without needing coding expertise. Detailed analytics. Track the performance of your recovery campaigns and identify areas for improvement. Integration with other tools. Connect ThriveCart with your email marketing platform for seamless communication. Give your abandoned carts a second chance and watch your bottom line grow.